All right, back to our favorite utility company shenanigans. Power's out for actually for months now, because this original underground from the 70s that went out to a transformer behind the pool equipment. So the solution short term, meaning since 4 months ago, is to have open SER cable, MTW. There you go. Look at that pool. Again, it's been this way for, I don't know, 3-4 months, maybe longer. Okay. So, as you guys may already know, the utility company has its own rules and accountability, but our job is going to be moving the meter over here so the utility company can bore. We'll do a cutout so the utility company can bore and rerun this line back to the transformer. Anyway, I wanted to show you guys this. You don't see this often, especially coming from the utility company. Interesting, right? Things that you just go, ugh. Let me know what you think. Bye.